Hey, what's up guys? Sloth King here. Today I'm going to be doing an oil change on the Supra, and I know some of you guys might think, oh, it's not that special, but I'm going to see how the oil looks, and actually I'm going to send it out for an oil analysis to see how things are on it. Now, I have to wait for the kit to come in, but I'm going to be draining everything. We're going to look at it, and I'm going to set some of the oil aside. That way, whenever I get that bottle in, I can send it out for the analysis and then wait however long it takes. And then we're going to see how what the results are whenever it comes back in. So let's go ahead and let's jump right in. I already have the Supra up on jack stand, so let's just change everything. And also, I'm going to be seeing how an upgraded oil filter works. I have the an official Toyota oil filter. Let me show you what it is. So this is the oil filter I'm talking about, and this is the YZZ-D3. This is usually what comes on 4Runners or the Tacomas. It's an upgraded, like it's an oversized oil filter. The stock one for this, I believe it's the D1 or the D2. I forget off the top of my head, but yeah, it's just a little bit smaller. So I'm going to see if this oil filter will actually fit in the stock location. So that's going to be fun. Anyway, let's dig right in. God dang it. Alright, got that filter loose. Now this is going to make a big mess too. Alright, I'm gonna let that drain for a minute. And then I will pull it down when it comes to a trickle. This is literally my most hated thing doing on the car is just changing the oil. Mostly the filter in the stock location. I gotta get an upgraded one. Upgraded filter location. Oh no! Alright. Actually, I'm gonna pour some of that off to the side. Alright, now I'm gonna add some oil to this like I usually do. Now, let's see if this fits. Yep, that fits nicely. Cool. All right, so I'm going to throw some of that used oil inside of here. I don't know how much they're going to ask for, but I'm just going to fill it up about halfway. I'm going to save that, put that off to the side until I get my oil analysis container in, and then I'm going to ship that off. And then we're going to see how it is when we get back.
Hey guys, it's Sloth King from the future. I finally have my oil analysis back from Blackstone Laboratories. So, as you guys know, I told you that I was going to send this sample out, and this was right around the time that I had the oil pump fail on me. So I was hoping that I would get it back like sooner, but that's okay. So what this test is going to do, it's going to actually show some signs of some wear that was going on that I did not know was going on. So it's going to be really quick. Let's go ahead and get through this. Alright, so as you can see, I have the report right in front of me. We can scroll down, and then it shows the stuff at the bottom. But let's go up real quick. On here, the oil use interval is 611 miles that I had on it. I had the Valvoline Extended Protection 5W30. And then, let's see. So, they gave me some comments right here. It says, this engine was recently rebuilt So a lot of metal in the sample is probably from wearing, with silicon from sealers and lubes used during assembly. Even with wearing to consider, though, copper, lead, and tin are quite high, so there might be some wear taking place in the bottom end. If the engine runs well with good oil pressure, then let's see if metal is approved going forward. No contamination from fuel or coolant was found, and the TBN is good. We suggest trying another short interval, maybe 1,000 miles, to see how things look next time. So, right here, right when I sent this in, when I got this back after I repaired the oil pump and after it failed and everything, I emailed them back with what happened. So the guy said, oh, that makes sense for what we saw in the sample for the wear. So now that you have that issue resolved, let's go ahead and wait a couple oil changes and then see if everything else is like fine, like if the numbers are fine. So if you look down here, you'll see that like copper is way higher than what it should be, because universal averages is supposed to be 5. This is 286. So all this stuff they found that I guess that gear was wearing the whole entire time, which is wild. So yeah, if I scroll down, you can see that you can check out all the numbers here, and the numbers on the right is what they're supposed to be within, and my numbers on the left show a different situation over here. So yeah, so that's this oil sample. I kind of wish I would have sent this out way before I did any of this, but it's always kind of cool to see what happened. I'm just gonna wait a few oil changes. I'm gonna do another sample, and then I'm gonna send it out because it does take a few weeks for it to come back. So after, let's say I do 2 oil changes or whatever, let's go ahead and see what the sample shows. Hopefully it's in good condition, hopefully nothing else is whack with it. But anyway, I figured I finally got this in. I'd update you guys on what happened, and this is all before the oil pump exploded. Anyways guys, hopefully you found this pretty entertaining and fun. If you did, cool. If not, well, I guess you don't like oil analysis stuff. Anyways, I'll catch you guys on the next ride.